pa po din inabot na public hearing board na iyo po nagdidesisyon kung paano ang pagkondukta ng public hearing. So, ano na namin yung pasi lang, medyo komplikado lang. So, with this, ako man po nito na dahil ka nasunod si Senator yung prosedimento, kaya ang inclination ng komitiba, iyo na day mo on track. Ito pagkakagan nito. At sa mga proposito.
As chairman of the Committee on Laws and Review, I hereby concur to the decision of my co-chairman, Ordinary Naban, for the disapproval or denial of the resolution seeking the consideration of previous disapproval of this resolution.
This juncture, Mr. Chairman, I would like now to express the sentiment of the body. Thus, to conclude, the Sangguniang Bayan, contrary to its claim in daily consideration, did not actually conduct a duly constituted public hearing. And such public hearing was found to be irregular, highly irregular, and tainted, when the opinions and positions of the different sectors of the community were asked and consulted. On the matter before the subject municipal ordinance was passed, which requirement is mandated, Mr. Chairman, I now move with finality, Mr. Chairman, that said resolution seeking reconsideration be denied by the Sangguniang Bayan.
Duly seconded, any remarks, let the recommendation proposed by Honorable Nopra be adopted by the Sangguniang Bayan. Salamat sa inyong pag-atigir sa mga municipal officials, sa mga taga-limahan. Thank you for giving us information about what is happening in the municipality of Limahan.
Salamat po maray. Mag-ingat po kamo sa pagbiyahe ng Katolik sa Limahan. Mag-ingat po. Siya po may simando po para marami nito. Anagong